This is Kahoot. Kahoot is an interactive technology tool you can use within your classroom. I personally find Kahoot beneficial as a form of review. It's also very good as a check for understanding. So during your lesson, you say, let's play a Kahoot. Let's see where we're all at. It's even good for guided practice if you were doing something like math or vocabulary or something like that. So now I will show you how to create your own Kahoot. So once you have logged in and everything, you will go up and you hit create. And then when prompted, it will ask you to start typing your question. My question is, what is a metaphor? So you can add an image here if you would like. You can change the time limit on things. It goes anywhere from 5 seconds up to 240 seconds. So then from there, you can have kids select only one answer, or if there are multiple answers, you can do multiple select, and then you add your answers here. You have to add 2, but you can add up to 4. So let's say a metaphor is a comparison using like or as, a comparison without like or as. So then from here, you select which one is correct, and you just put a little check. Make sure you clicked it. Now from here, you can add another question. So what you just saw was a quiz form of a question. You can change it to be a true or false question. A true or false question could be 3 times 3 equals 17. True or false? That in this case would be false. From here, you can add your Kahoot title. This one is a sample. You could add a description if you'd like. You could put a cover image on here and where you would like to save it. So now you want to change your visibility for who can see it. Make sure everyone can see it if you are sharing it with people, but if it's only you and for your class purposes, you can leave it as only you. From here, you hit done. And then it says, yeah, your Kahoot is ready to be played. And now you can, from here, I believe you can share your Kahoot. So you click your 3 little dots, share, and then it comes with your own kind of link once you type in your username. As I have mentioned before, Kahoot is a great way to engage your students and put a little spin on a simple lesson. You definitely don't want to overuse something like this because it may become redundant and your students aren't as receptive to it. And if you find that your kids are getting too rowdy, remind them that this is a reward and not a privilege. But other than that, I highly recommend Kahoot, and I plan to use it in my future classroom.